Hey again, everyone. Welcome back. Week number 4, my series about playing the blues on the piano. And I just put up a video with my friend Rick playing guitar, and we were doing a pattern something like this. Now, Rick was doing most of the work, and I was just putting in a few chords, so I would use a ninth chord once in a while like this. See, that's an E chord. But you just drop the root down to the 7th and the 3rd down to the 9th. And then you can use this little 6th chord also. And then here it is on A. A lot of times we do that going all the way up to the 7th. So like in E it would be this. That kind of thing. And when you're playing with a guitar player, you don't need to be quite as busy as if you're just playing on your own. You want to leave a little space. Last week we put the blues into the key of G, and we started off in the key of C because that's probably the easiest key on piano. Then we went to the key of G. But let's talk a little bit about the key of E. All right, now everything's going to stay pretty much the same. You've got the 1 chord, the 4 chord, the 5 chord. That would be E, A, and B. The blues scale just has that one black key in it. Some good fingerings: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then if you want to keep going up, put your thumb there. But put your 3 there and come back down. Another good way: start with your thumb on G. That gives you a 3-note fingering, so some people like it that way better. Because with just using these 3 fingers, you can go pretty fast. You can go faster than if you're using your 4 and your 5, usually. Here's that new pattern like this. Of course, you want to take your basic turnarounds like this one. Sorry. Or this one. And some of the other things we've talked about, the quintuplet riff, where we go like. The quintuplet riff like this. nothing much new here today, just basically a new key, the key of E. So pretty important key, so work a little bit in this key, but of course keep going back over the blues in the key of C and G, and we will pick up on this again tomorrow.